How to transfer money from Binance to bank account. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to transfer money from Binance to bank account. In order to do this procedure, first of all make sure that your Binance account is verified, and then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. Once logged in, click the logo or the icon from the top left hand side, and here scroll down a bit and go to more services, and right on this page you need to go ahead and select transfer from the top. And as you do that, here you need to go ahead and select the address first thing, type in the information, and as you're done, here you need to select from which account you're funding and to which account you're doing it. So enter in the exact amount and click on confirm transfer. As you're done with that procedure, review all of the information that you've done, and accordingly you need to verify your bank account as well, add a credit card or whatsoever, and then you need to click the continue button in order to complete the transaction. As you're done with that procedure, then you've successfully completed your transaction. Accordingly, along with that, you've transferred money from Binance to bank account. So that is how you can transfer money from Binance to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.